Everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, you're welcome to this channel. This is a trading channel and this is Precious here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I trade. The first thing I do when I open a chart is to identify the movement of price in the markets. So the second thing I do is to identify my break of structure. I map out my break of structure. The third thing is to identify my order block. Then the fourth thing is to identify my fair value gap or my imbalance, as well as my liquidity. So these are 5 things. If I don't see these 5 things complete, I don't take a trade. So now I'm going to be opening the charts and I'm going to be showing you how to trade with these 5 things. So let's go right into the charts. 30 minutes time frame, and this is a bearish market. So you can see the change in character downward. Let's go to daily time frame now. You can see this market has been bearish, just starts going up. So let's go to our 30 minutes time frame so we can get all these structures correctly. This is 30 minutes going to 1 hour time frame, and you can see how it looks in 1 hour time frame. So this is how the bearish market looks in 1 hour time frame. Change of character. You can see this is a change of character to the downside. The market was bullish before, then changed character. Changed character, became bearish, and now it's changing character again. So this is a change of character. Change of character. And then we start having break of structure to the downside. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame so we can mark out internal break of structure to the downside. So this is how a bearish market looks. We have a break of structures to the downside in a bearish market. I'll take my arrow, and then in a bearish market, this is my break of structure. So you can see this is how my break of structure looks in a bearish market. So it's on break of structure to the downside in a bearish market. Let's go to the chart now and mark out our break of structure. So now we have our break of structure to the downside here. This is the break of structure here from wick to body. This is an internal break of structure here from wick to body. So you can see we have this is another break of structure here. Mark it out. You know what? Let me remove this. I know I'm in this trade, but for the sake of you guys, let me remove this. If you know you're not good with straight line, just hold your shift and then draw your break of structure. It's just a straight line. So yes, so these are our break of structure to the downside. Next thing to do after marking out our break of structure is to identify our order block. Our order block in a bearish market is the last bullish candle before price start going downward. The last after our break of structure. So here is our break of structure. So here is our break of structure. This is the last bullish candle. Here is our break of structure. This is the last bullish candle. Okay. We need to be marking it out. This is our order block. Here is our break of structure. The last bullish candle before price start going downward. Here is our order block. Here is our order block. This bullish candle is our order block. Here is our order block. This bullish candle here is our order block. You can see that we have other blocks before price start going downward. So let me label it. Bearish OB. And the next thing to do is to identify my fair value gap or my imbalance. Our fair value gap is a space between 3 consecutive candles after our order block. So here is our the space between our 3 consecutive candles after our order block. You can see this is our fair value gap. Fair value gap. Next thing to do now is to identify our liquidity. So we have identified our break of structure, we have identified our bearish order block, we've identified our fair value gap, and now here is our liquidity. Our liquidity is our potential order blocks. That means we can sell from there. So this is our liquidity. One, carry out multiple time frame analysis to identify the movement of the market. 2, identify your break of structure. 3, identify your order block. 4, identify your fair value gap or your imbalance. 5, identify your liquidity. And take your position tool and take a trade. So thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video. You just have to invest your time and learn these 5 things. There are just 5 things.